Well, hey, good evening, traders. Welcome to another session of Trading the Asian session powered by StrategyVault Pro. Welcome, everybody. We're happy everybody's here. What a day for a hump day. So, we talked yesterday evening about the market going up to break that 30,000 level, and actually, last evening it jumped all the way up to 29,990, and that was in the Asia session yesterday. But then also and then it turned right back around and plummeted, and then it shot back up today at market open New York session all the way up to 30,060, and then it sold off since. So with that being said, we've got a lot of room to the upside, and we got a lot of room to the downside. So we got about 1 minute until the Asia market opens, and we're just going to be patient here. Actually, there it goes. It a little quicker than 1 minute. But anyhow, so let's see what this does. What it wants to do. Like I said, it's sold off since it pushed that high of 30,060 at about 10 this morning, and then it sold off. So all day. We'll see what it wants to do. Another thing, this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. We've got our targets drawn on the chart, so we'll see where it goes. So see, it may push down here, take out this low of the day at 29,530. We'll see. But I'll tell you, if it starts to chop around, we're not going to stick around. We did that yesterday, and it did. It chopped bad. When the markets opened, it chopped around pretty bad. And in actual all honesty, we were down about $200 at the end of the session. But we made that up today. So we do have a sell notification that has generated, and the market has been selling off. Like I said, they may push down here, try to take out these lows. We got about 2 minutes in this first 5-minute candle. You gotta be careful. A lot of times they like to manipulate and then push it right back up, which that may be what they're getting ready to do. But this also kind of forming a double bottom here. You have the daily close setting here at 29,615. You have the VWAP just below that. Our 14 has crossed the 20. You have the 200 way up here. So we drew this line of interest right here. So on our lines of interest, if price pushes through them with momentum, not this stumbling around that it's doing, then we can look for more movement to the downside is what we look for. But like I said, it's bouncing right off that line, so I'd be very careful. Like I said, I hope we don't get a bunch of chop. I hope we get some decent movement. But so far, we're getting the chop.
Baseball season is here. Catch the action live with game day features.
It's just chopping around right now. See? Right back down. This is what you got to be careful with in the Asia market. There's just nothing so far that, like I said, they've got these lows down here that they could sweep if they wanted to. But like I said, it's forming out to be especially in the 5-minute time frame. Actually, we've got time, which it's not doing anything, so we can take a look at what it looks like on the 5-minute time frame. Right here. Actually, I'm gonna draw that for you. Maybe it could do that. We don't know. But this is what I'm seeing. Good possibility. And that may be what... see how it's on a 1-minute chart. Oh, nice. We're still on that. Hold on. Let's trash that. And we're going to trash that one too. Well, if it will let us. There we go. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. Good possibility. I've got to remember to take that off. If we could break 29,590, they might want to go up to that 29,600. But you've got to realize that we are below the moving average. We do have a sell notification that has generated. You got about 2 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. There it goes. See if we can get a pullback. Ah, come on. Okay, I'm going to just see if I can ride it up to the VWAP. Or not the VWAP, but the 14 EMA. All right, we're gonna take that, and that's exactly what I was seeing if we could ride it up to right here, and we did, and see how it reacts right off of it. Now, to convince me that this is a double bottom, it needs to push through these levels of interest. Number one, the 14, the VWAP, this level of interest, the daily close here, and also, see, it's got all these things it needs to push through in order to convince me that it is a double bottom. We got to watch out for the trickery. But it needs to push through these with momentum. There's that 600 level that we talked about. We talked about that. New 5-minute candle here. See what it wants to do. Our line held. Ooh. See, this is what I was telling you about. You need to be careful right here. Like I said, that 5-minute chart is ugly. Wicks on the top and the bottom so far on both the 5-minute candles. Now we have a cell trying to generate. It's got to stick. Remember, it's got to stick. So we need it to break this level, 64. Breaking. See if we get a reaction off that line. Oh, wow. Not that way. The other way. Come on. Okay, it's stuck. See if they can push it down to that. I'd like to see the previous low get taken out. Come on, push it. Push it. Ah. Push. Push. Ah, our line's holding. I don't like that. Come on, push it hard. We got to break that line. Come on, push it down. Wow, this is ugly. Come on. Got a doji on the 5. I don't like that. Come on. I'd like to see him take out the lows. I really would. Now we got to break that line. Come on, push it. Ah, that line is just sticking. Break it. That 560 is strong. Come on, break it, boys. Where's the bears at? I don't know if they're here today. They're trying. Come on, bears. Come on, push it. Where's the bears when you need them? Push, bears. One more time. Break the line. Ugh. Push. Nope. Boy, they're trying. Push, baby. Oh my gosh. Wow. And then, come on, boys, push it. Wow. Come on, boys, push it. One minute left on this 5-minute candle. Push, boys. Push. Oh. Wow. This is what's ridiculous. If we can get it to close and fill it, not that way, for darn sure. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Come on, push back down. Turn red, baby. Nope. Oh my goodness. This is starting to look a lot like last night. We can break that. Now we're to the VWAP. Now we need to break that 80 level. There we go. Push, baby. Let's go down and take out them lows now. Come on. Got to break that 60 level. I think if we could break that 60 level, we'd be in some good business. Need to break that 60 level. There, it's pushing it. Come on, break it. Push. Come on, push, baby. Ay, 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 that level, bro. Come on. Oh my goodness. Come on, push. Push. Push it. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is just aggravating. Come on. Push. Push it. Come on, push it back. Push it. Ah. They're trying hard. Push. Come on, push it. All right. Oh, and that lost me 1650 because it popped right back. Okay, here's the thing. It's bouncing off too many times. I'm pretty sure. Nope. I got out. Okay, so here's the thing. Nope. Actually, it went against me. Let's see if we can push it down. Push it. Push. All right, I'll take that $30. And because of this right here, they may push it right down here is where I would think they would want to go with it, to the previous 4-hour candle low. Well, we'd have it's just too wishy-washy. I just don't like the action. I would rather, and look at this. Look at this 5-minute chart. This is just crap. Oh, and then they're going to probably flush it. I'm going to see if I can write it down. Entertainment purposes only, down to here. I'll go back to my 1-minute chart just in case. Oh, see? Ay, ay, ay. Push, baby. Okay. Now if that 60 can hold. Nope. See? Aye. Come on, push it down. Keep going. Whew. It pushed right to our entry and then bounced right off. Oh my goodness. Come on, push it down. Push down to that previous 4-hour candle. This is a new 5-minute candle. There's a push. Come on. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, this is getting ridiculous. See, they don't like that. Come on, push down. Oh my goodness. Come on, push down. Ah. Well, maybe they're going to put a wick on this 5-minute candle and then push it right back down there. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh my gosh. It just won't break that. Come on, push it, baby. Definitely getting a bunch of chop. Oh boy, I don't like that. Once again. Just being patient. Oh. New 5-minute candle. Oh my gosh. Just being patient. Oh my goodness. And look at that. Ugh. This is what I'm talking about. All right. And it may go ahead and flush on us, but this is what I'm talking about, where you'll get ate up. And as you can see, it went way against us. Oh, now look at it. Oh my goodness, that's exactly what I'm talking about. See if we can ride it down a bit. Wow, these markets are something else this evening, I'll tell you that for darn sure. Definitely got to be careful. Like I said, it's here. Remember, we talked about this level right here. That's what they're going to shoot for, but yep. Which is at, it's 13 more points down. 530 level. I guess for entertainment purposes only. Let's see if we can write it down. Okay. And a lot of times they'll just take it to just right above and jerk it right back up. So that's too close for comfort for me. But see, where do we get to? We pushed all the way to 36. That's 6 points from that level there. Like I said, you have to be really careful. Look at this back over here. And now look at this. Look at the reaction. These markets are something else this evening. And nobody's here to lose money, for darn sure. They're gonna attempt it again. Maybe not. You got about 3 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. But anyhow, like I said, this is what we were targeting, and we got within 6 points of it. So, and they may not be done yet, but look at the reaction. And look at look at these. These are 1 minute candles. Look at the wicks. How can you trade that? This is a very challenging market this session. You got about 2 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. Let's see if it goes ahead and fills out. Actually, we'll go to a 5-minute chart just to watch it. See, is it going to fill? No wick on the last 2 5-minute candles, which that's a good sign. But this is what we're facing right here. This is our opposition right here. And this candle barely pushed below this candle right here. So you need, I'll make that even bigger so we can see it. See, it barely pushed to what? Not even a point below it. So be careful there if you're in a sell. But like I said, it may fill. So if this candle fills but doesn't break this, a lot of times the next 5-minute candle will at first push down, but it's already retracting. Oh, there it goes. Oh, see? They want it. They want that 530 level. Now that, oh, it's a new hour. That's what we didn't even realize. I did not even realize that it is the new hour. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. That's a 530 level. Nice. Oh, wow. Right off of it. Look at the reaction. $5.30. Boy, are they going to flush it to 500? I'd definitely be careful. So a lot of times they may push it to 500. Okay, so look at that. For the last hour we have barely gotten any action, but now look at it. Or we've got a lot of chop is what we got. A lot of times they like to manipulate below that previous low 4-hour candle. So watch the manipulation. And then jerk it right back up. A lot of times I like to do that. I'm not saying that's going to happen right now. See if I can. Yeah, the minute I get in. All right. I don't know what it's going to do. So, like I said, we scalp. That's what we do. We scalp. Is it going to push below? It may. We'll see how this candle fills out. You got 49 seconds. See, that's what I'm talking about. Now what I'd like to see is a good pullback. We need a good pullback. Oh, look at that. Okay, so let's take a look. Let's see where possibly we could have some targets. If it keeps going to the, oh wow, to the downside. We have a gap fill all the way down here. 28,699. just like to point out, look, the SV Pro generated a sell signal quite some time ago. This is sold off. This is an hour chart, or 30-minute chart. Look how many 30-minute candles the market has sold off. So it's pretty accurate on the higher time frame. There we're getting our pullback. Now we're back at that previous 4-hour candle low. Breaking it, or trying to break it. So if it can break above 40, I'd look for more movement to the upside. At least you could, if it breaks above 40, I'd look for more, at least you could ride it up to the moving average here. Entertainment purposes only. Oh, and right back down. See, we've got a lot of room to the downside. So, and see, it pushed up to this previous 4-hour candle low, and it reacted right off of it. So before I would even think about going long, it would have to break that with momentum. And it may be, we're at that time where it may just start and chop around. Yeah, see, we're just moving like 1 point at a time. It's getting very tight. Back at that level. Remember, it needs to break the 40 level before we would even think about more movement to the upside. See, that's what I'm talking about. Is this just a bear flag? Looks like it. You got about 2.5 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. She's trying to push, but she hasn't broke that previous candle's low at 502. There it did. It pushed below it. I wouldn't go short yet unless it breaks 500 with momentum. You see what? See, we have a level right here. I'm not seeing it. We have 29,452. See, this is what I'm talking about. Not going short unless we break that 500 level. Rejected right off of that 501. Like I said, I think we're probably in for some more chop. But if we can break out of this above 540 with the momentum, then I think we could ride it up to at least that 14 EMA. New 5-minute candle just opened up. Pushing right back down. Oh, there you go. Broke it. Broke that 500. Let's see if we can ride it down a little bit, I guess. We'll see what happens. 90 maybe? Oh, look. This is ridiculous. This market and how it's moving, it just isn't. We're not getting any big moves. Just this little stutter steps here and there. That's all right. Go take a look. Let's see what we can targets we can see. The only target I see is right here, 452, and it may get down there, but you gotta realize how long it has pushed down. I mean, it's pushed down since 10 o'clock Eastern time this morning. You just need to be careful. At some point, it's going to have a good retracement. So now, I would wait before going short for a good retracement. If it makes a higher low, or I'm sorry, a lower high on the retracement, then I would look for it to push down to the downside a little more. But we need a retracement. It's still pushing down. About 10 minutes, we're going to be done. This market just isn't moving. Oh, wow. And then the minute I say that, 452 is a level. We have a level down here at 412. Let's see if we can write it down a little more. All right. And then look at it. It reacted right off there. This is just this push down, then right back up. Push down, right back up. So, like I said, here in about 8 minutes, we're going to be done for the evening. This market is way slow, way slow. That 80 level, is it going to hold? All right. Yeah, we're gonna call it for the evening. It's just a slow grind to the downside, and then a push up, then a slow grind down, then a push up. Yeah, we're not here to lose money. So with that, hey, we'll be back tomorrow evening. Everybody, please leave us a like. Helps with the YouTube algorithm. All the information about StrategyVault Pro is in the description. So, hey, we'll see you. Everybody have a good evening.